How to add product to list on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon, this is the home page. Now choose product that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one right here and click on it. Now all what you have to do is go down right here, go down until you find this add to list option. It's down here. Click on it, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now choose one of your lists, or you can create one from here. For example, I already have this list right here, so I'm gonna choose it, and I just added this product to my list. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.